Hi everyone, welcome back to TriniKidsTV. My name is Auntie Shade and it's so very nice of you to join us today. Now, if you're here for the first time, hi and welcome to Circle Time. Let's get started by singing our good morning song. Alright, let's sing together. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of our friends that are watching. Hi! Now, let's find out about the days of the week and the months of the year. Do you know what day it is today? Well, it's the day that comes after Wednesday. Do you know what day that is? Well, let's see the days of the week. The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So, after Wednesday is Thursday. Today is Thursday, everyone. And what a lovely Thursday it is, right? So, let's find out about the months of the year. So, let's say all the months of the year. Now, there are 12 months of the year. Let's say them all. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Very good, everyone. Now, let's find out about the weather. Well, to do that, we need to sing our weather song. Yes, are you excited to sing the weather song? Well, let's go. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Oh wow, that was a great job. You all sounded really nice singing our weather song. Well, what kind of weather you think we are having today? Take a look. Yes, my friends, it's a windy day today. There are lots of breezes blowing and it's really strong breezes too, but I still like that kind of weather, don't you? Yeah. So, let's find out about our color of the day. Our color of the day today, my friends, is the color blue. Blue is our color of the day. And I'm guessing you might be wondering why blue is our color of the day, and it has to do with our lesson for today. But we'll find out about that a little later. Yes? So, let's find out about our shape of the day. Our shape of the day today is a triangle. Yes, it's a triangle. Do you know what a triangle is? Well, this is a triangle and it has 3 sides and 3 corners. Yes, a triangle. We can think of lots of things that are shaped like triangles, right? You can see triangles in everyday life, in your books, in your coloring books, on the street, in signs, all over the place. Now let's find out about our number of the day. Are you excited to find out about our number of the day? Well, our number of the day today is the number 4. 4 is our number of the day. What can we do to count to 4? Maybe we can march like the ants that go marching in. Are you ready? Let's get ready to march 4 times. Remember, to march you got to lift those knees and swing your arms. Are you ready? Well, let's go. Don't forget to count. All right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great job. We counted and marched 4 times. Now, my friends, let's find out about our letter of the day. Our letter of the day today is, of course, the letter that comes after Y in the alphabet. And guess what? We're almost at the end of the alphabet. Can we say the alphabet together? It's the last letter of the alphabet. That's our letter of the day. So let's say the alphabet and figure it out. Ready? Let's sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and what's the last letter? Z. Yes, it's the letter Z. And yesterday we talked about Z for zoo, and we made some really cool animals. So Z is our letter of the day today. Can you think of some words that start with Z? Well, yes, zoo starts with Z. What about zipper? Like you zip your clothes? Zip. Or zoom, like you zoom past somebody in a race. Z. Now, let's find out about our lesson for today. Now, as you know, my friends, we have been talking about landmarks. And do you remember what landmarks are? Well, those are the places that you might look at to remember where you are or where you want to go. So a landmark can be anything. It can be any place. It can be a tree. It can be a building. It can be a street name. It can be anything. A landmark is what you use to find where you want to go or where you are going. So in today's lesson, we are talking about famous landmarks, but not just any landmarks. Nope. We are talking about landmarks that have to do with our color of the day. Blue. Yes, we are talking about water. Our landmarks that we'll be talking about today are the landmarks that have to do with water. So, for example, there's the river Swamp, there's the Cora River, there are lots of other rivers, the Paria River, there's also the beaches like Vesani, there's also Maracas, Las Cuevas, Blanchices, and lots of other places. All those places or all those landmarks have to do with water. And today, for our activity time, my friends, we are going to make our very own water themed board game. Yes, we're going to make our board game that we can play with and remember the different names of our waterways in Trinidad and Tobago. So, like the nylon pool in Tobago, we can also put that on our waterway. So if you can think of lots of other ones, you can also put that on your board game. Now join me for craft time, where we're going to create our very own board game, my friends. Make our board game. Now the first thing you would need is some sturdy paper. I'm using my construction sheet here. You can also use Bristol board for this activity. So I'm making my squares for my board game. So I'm just going to like measure out good size, and I'm using my marker just to make a straight line, and just continue doing that across the board. So yeah. Look at that. Our coconut tree looks really good, right? So you can decorate the spots how you want them. You can also stick pictures as well. So I hope this gave you a really good idea on how to decorate your waterways and your game. So have fun with that, of course. Let's put the waterfall running down here for avocados. Alright, so all you need is just to roll your dice and move your spaces. You can use whatever you want to play on your board. You can use a marble, you can use a cover from a bottle, and just move these spaces. So have lots of fun with your board game, your waterway board game, and decorate it as nicely as you would like. Alright, my friends, thank you so much for joining me today. I know you had fun creating your very own board game, and guess what? You can do that with lots of other things as well. So I'll see you tomorrow, and thank you for joining me. Bye!